Namaste and welcome to day 26 of Start Now. Well, in yesterday's practice, we explore a lot of basic general movements that we have been missing out on in our life due to the evolution mankind has made. It's beautiful that the evolution that we have made is so amazing, but it's also a shortcoming because we are missing out on a lot of movements that we were doing very normally and generally. So this is an encouragement, a reminder to get yourself out of that comfort and get yourself to moving, basic movements that will only help us in a better place. And I also hope you guys did your homework. I asked you a few things to look out, search and find answers to. If you haven't, please do it. If you have, please let me know in the comments and I would love to hear from you guys. Alright, with that, let's get you started. Sit up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Find your upper torso right above your hips, so maybe lean your upper torso slightly back. Get your hips, shoulders, head in one straight line. Allow your breath to flow naturally. Allow yourself to relax and notice every corner of your body. Join your palms at heart center and let's chant 3 sounds of Om. Inhale. Have a simple intention for your day, for this practice. And once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. In today's practice, we will be using blocks for our assistance. So if you don't have blocks, make sure you have a pair of water bottles that can help you in the same manner. Yes? With that, let's get started by standing and open your legs wide. We'll be doing some old-fashioned hip rolls to wake up those hips. Feel warm and nice in our legs and hips and sides, inner thighs. Add your body also. Enjoy it. I really enjoy doing hip rolls because it really gives me the sense of freedom. It gives me the sense of release because all the heavy emotions are actually stored in our hips. Reverse the direction. So I want you to take this time to actually address, dive into it, go as wide as you can with your hips and enjoy every bit of it. Lovely. From there, come back to center and push your hips to the right side. Hold it there and engage and squeeze both your hips. You will feel your left inner thigh getting that stretch. Lovely. Come back center, we'll go to the left. Engage. Squeeze both the hips. And slowly come back. With that, interlock your fingers right behind of you. Switch your palms facing to the back and lift yourself up. Yes, your body goes down and your arms go up. It's okay if your spine is rounded here. Exhale as you go down. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you go down. Inhale as you come up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Exhale, stay. Stay here. Let the gravity push the weight of the hands towards the floor. Release the hands. Lower your hands down as much as you can. Now you can use your blocks to increase the height and just stay there, keeping the weight on the blocks. We will do gentle cat and cow from here. It might not be initially accessible for you, so give your patience to it, okay? So inhale, arch and look up. You can bend the knees a little bit. Exhale, contract. Pull your chest in, chin to chest. Inhale, arch and look up. Exhale, contract and look down. Inhale, arch and up. Exhale, contract and down. Inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. Last one, inhale, arch. Exhale, contract. Release the spine, lower the height of the blocks and let the spine be neutral. Try to lower your head towards the floor. Don't try to reach your head towards the leg. Try to think of head towards the floor. Stay. Lower the blocks even furthermore if you can. Put your hands on the floor. Release the neck. Keep the knee slightly soft. And slowly take your time to come up. Take your blocks in the hands. Spread your legs and keep your blocks on the right hand. Keep your arms in line with your shoulders. We'll switch the right leg facing to the right side. Turn out the right leg. Exhale, slowly lower yourself down, keeping the legs and the hands straight. Push the weight on the block. Look up, and now don't entirely have the weight on the block. Just lift and engage your torso to just touch the block and keep imagining like someone's pulling you up at the same time pushing you down. Look up at the left palm and stay. Breathe. Relax your face, you're doing good. Breathe through your body. Engage your obliques. Feel that stretch at the lateral length. Inhale, engage and come up. Exhale, switch sides. Turn towards the left. Exhale, lower yourself down. Same thing, lifting the palms up. Imagining that someone's pulling you up and pushing you down at the same time. Engage your core. Don't put entire weight on the block. Keep your shoulders, head and hips in one straight line. And breathe. Lovely. Slowly come back up. Let's go for twisting the torso. So get your 4 points, your both hips and both shoulders facing to the right. Turn completely to the right. Readjust the back leg a little bit so that your heels and knees are feeling comfortable. Now take your blocks on the left palm. Take your left palm up and slowly twist yourself as you lower on the right side. So you can keep your blocks either on the left side of the foot or right side of the foot, whichever comes more accessible for you. Rotate your chest to open it towards the back side. Try to look up and extend the other arm up to the ceiling and look at the palms. Stay. Just observe your breath. It's okay to lose balance. The idea is to believe in the practice and enjoy the process. Inhale slowly to come up. Rotate yourself back to center. Switch the block on the right hand. Turn completely to the left. 4 points towards the left. Right arm up. Twist and drop yourself down on the floor. Rotate your chest towards the front as much as you can. Keep rotating. Keep rotating. And slowly lift the left palm up. Weight on both the feet and look up at the left palm and stay. Just breathe. And slowly come back up. Whew. Like I said, it's okay to lose balance. Come back to center. From here, we'll slowly turn out both the feet. Bend the knees. Press between the blocks if you have it. If not, just hold your palms together and stay. Lower yourself and stay. Keep squeezing the hands. Press into the blocks. And lower yourself in line with the knees. Press all corners of your feet. Stay there for 5, 4, keep squeezing, 3, weight in center, 2, 1, slowly lift up. Turn the toes inwards, heels slightly outwards, and lower your hands down to the floor. Keep your blocks on the floor. Inhale, lift up the chest once, and exhale, lower yourself down. If you can get your palms on the floor, and try to touch your head on the height of the block, any height you choose. Stay there and breathe. Push the weight slightly on your toes. Be at your capacity. This is your practice. This is your journey. Embrace it. Press the sides of the feet and continue breathing. Inhale, lift up the chest and head just a little bit. Lower the height of the block. And try to lower yourself. It's okay if you cannot touch your head on the block anymore. Just breathe and surrender to the gravity. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Slowly bend the knees. Take your blocks back up. Slowly come back up. Keep the blocks exactly where you got them. Thanks them for the practice. Lower yourself down and come into Malasana. Long spine. Shift your weight on the left leg, right leg. Just trying to warm up those ankles a little bit. From here, let's try this. You walk your hands in the front, okay? And try to lift the hips up 90 degrees. If this is good enough for you, just stay here. But if you want to, you can add the lift of the palms right next to the ears and hold it. Let's hold it together for 10, 9, 8, 7, very nice, 6, keep hanging, 5, 4, don't give up yet, 3, 2, and 1, slowly release. And breathe, relax the shoulders. Slowly lower your hips and straighten your legs in front of you. Shake it off. Very nice, good job. You can relax your neck if you want to. Now we're going to roll the ankles all together in one direction and then reverse the direction. Now bring right toe towards you, left toe away from you, and switch. Keep switching. Flex and point of the toes. Lovely. Slowly, one last count, we will hold Navasana. So lift up and hold. You can always keep one leg up, other leg up to make it accessible for you. Shoulders down, chest up, and stay. Slowly release. Let's do it one more time. You guys are doing amazing. Let's go. Chest up and stay. Come on, spine straight, lift up. Heels higher. Don't let the heel lower from your knee. Breathe through it. Don't stop breathing. And relax. Lovely. That is so good. Keep your right hand on your chest, left hand on your navel. And just observe your breath. Slowly relax your hands and take your time to slowly lie down on the mat. Find that comfortable place to surrender yourself. Release your shoulders, chest, neck. Relax all the face muscles. Make any adjustments if you want right now. And from there, once you're done with adjusting, no more further movements. Just complete surrender. I will leave you here for relaxation and I will see you tomorrow.